Welcome to ECE 121-450 Infant Toddler Methods in Lab for the Spring 2022 semester. My name is Jennifer Roll and I'll be your instructor for this course. This presentation is a brief overview of our course and is intended for you to be more knowledgeable of the course expectations, but also to potentially take some notes and jot down some questions that you'd like to bring to our first class meeting and or email me. So again, welcome to our course. In addition to this, you received an announcement as well as an email welcoming you to the class, and that too will go along with the information included. Make sure that you have reviewed Module 0, the Getting Started module, on our Course D2L page. There is lots of information including the syllabus, the course calendar for the schedule, and the assessment summary, just to name a few. There's also an overview video posted on our D2L page, again in Module 0, and that is more of a navigation of our course page. If you need a refresher with D2L, you want to understand better how our course is formatted, or maybe you're new to Deltec. These are the advisors for the Wilmington Education Department. You're encouraged to consistently advise with your home campus program advisor. And if that is not the Wilmington campus, then you can search that information through your student information system or also using the Deltec directory. Again, my name is Jennifer Roll. I've been at Deltec for over a decade and have had multiple decades in the early education field. Proud preschool and kindergarten teacher, but I have ventured into other age groups and for a while did summer camps for school-age children. I also was an administrator with Bright Horizons Family Solutions for many years at many levels in Delaware, Maryland, and as well as New Jersey. I'm a graduate of U of D, and I've earned my certification in educational technology from Deltec. At Deltec, I'm involved in learning communities, mindfulness initiatives, both for adults and children, and for many years I advised our education club. Currently, I'm part of the Wilmington Early Childhood Education Council as a board member, and I'm also part of DACE and NACE. My hobbies are crafting, photography, travel, sports, and lots of time with family and friends. So who's taking this course? Students taking this course are typically part of Deltec's Birth the Second, BTS, or Early Childhood Development programs. There are other early ed programs as well, and other classmates may be non-award seeking students. Prior to taking ECE 120, it is strongly recommended that you have successfully completed or are taking in conjunction ECE 120, which is Contemporary Issues, EDC 125, Child Development, and English 101, Composition 1. These are not required prerequisites, but are strongly suggested as there is helpful information in those courses prior to this one. If you have questions about this course, you're encouraged to ask. And if you have questions about your course schedule, remember to connect with your home campus program advisor. The course description, I'm going to pause for a few seconds on each of these next slides, but the course description and the objectives that are included in this presentation, which is posted, is straight from the course syllabus. Excuse me. We will also be referencing this throughout our course during our class time, so these will become quite familiar to you. DAP is mentioned a lot, and if that's an unfamiliar term, you will know it well by the end of the semester. DAP is defined by a lot of people in a lot of different ways, but the NACE definition is the one that we predominantly use. And you'll see at the bottom, if you want to link to more information specific to DAP and the National Association for the Education of Young Children, that it's at the bottom. Here are our course objectives, and for our course there are 9. And again, this is part of your college-wide syllabus, which is available in the Getting Started module. Our textbook is required. It's infant, toddlers, and caregivers. It's available at the bookstore, or certainly you can purchase or rent it through another seller. The textbook information and the link to the Delaware Technical Community College bookstore is also a part of Module 0. D2L is our current learning management system that allows instructors to organize course material. It is the primary vehicle of knowledge about our course, the course materials, including assessments. So it'll be a pivotal part of your time at Del Tech. There are technology resources for students. This is hyperlinked for you. That includes information about D2L, the minimum technology requirements, the download center, and lots more. And when you watch the navigation D2L page course overview, we'll also navigate through the navigation bar, and you'll be able to see where some more of that technology support lies. The minimum technology requirements are essential. Please take the time before the semester starts or within the first 2 or 3 days to ensure that your home technology is meeting this minimum requirement. Del Tech also does have a lending laptop program, and more information is available through the Virtual Support Center. You need to be Zoom ready. Ours is a hybrid course. Meeting on Saturday mornings into early afternoon, and we will work from the course schedule. Please make sure that you have the desktop version of Zoom downloaded. You can see that it's linked. If you're not confident about that, you can go in and reassure yourself, and you can learn more again by visiting Learning with Technology is LWT using Zoom, and that hyperlink provides you with extensive information. Please also make sure that you're posting a profile picture to Zoom. This semester, lots of active participation in our course. We're going to be collaborating with each other, group discussions, group activities, and current applications. So we're going to take what we're reading and what we're viewing for course content, and we're going to apply it to the real world. Things that you'll need: paper, pencil, or your technology, depending on how you choose to work. You'll need that textbook. Again, technology with the appropriate downloads and information, Zoom, D2L, etc., and time. So we suggest for this course that in addition to our 3-hour class meeting that you plan on 4 to 6 hours of weekly homework. That will include independent work as well as work with teams for projects. To be successful in this course, we know that success takes time and persistent effort, so please make every effort to attend and be active during our Zoom meetings. Be engaged on camera, complete your assignments on time. If you've been at Del Tech prior, there are new education department policies, and specifically a new late policy, so you'll want to review that. Again, Module 0. Check D2L at least 3 times each week, which you will do with our class time and with submission of assessments. You want to check your Del Tech email or have them forwarded to your preferred account. Use resources. That means technology, books, people, the resources that are available through Del Tech, which there are many, many, many. Ask questions and be involved. And meet with your instructor when you have questions or concerns. It's so important that we are proactive together and not reactionary when something is troubling you. Okay. Last few things, just a couple reminders. Open discussion is encouraged and is necessary in this course. Regardless of the format, online, we are hybrid Zoom, or whether in the future it's face-to-face. Our classroom time is considered confidential and needs to be respectful. It's expected that, again, you'll listen to your classmates and instructors and take turns speaking. We'll use a lot of the emojis in Zoom of raising our hands and using the chat as well. And opinions will be different, so it's important to know that we may agree to disagree, but we need to keep an open mind. Few reminders. We want you to be prepared and on time for class. Class begins at 9:30 on Saturdays. Turn on your cameras, turn off your cell phones. Please try your best to find a quiet place with as few distractions as possible. When joining Zoom, make sure that you're live on camera. I have set it so that you will initially be put on mute, and then be prepared. Bring your questions. Complete your read-watch materials prior to our Saturday classes and ask questions. That's how we all learn together. Last thought, don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. And this course and all that you do in it, it's a process. You will hear me say that 1,000,001 times. We learn each day and we will grow each day. We need to recognize our successes and we need to learn from those hiccups and the bumps in the road. Hope this is helpful information. Looking forward to seeing you on the first day. And if you have any questions prior, you're encouraged to reach out via phone or email. Take care.